Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Tots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for 3rd class students. Already we came to know about 5 lessons in the textbook. What about our India? What are the national symbols in India? What is the village and what about the village and universe, earth and states and union territories like that. We came to know a lot of things in the completed 5 lessons. Now we entered into lesson number 6, local self-government. Local self-government. Already I explained you about the government in village. About the government in village. What is the village government? Grama Panchayat. Grama Panchayat. Who is the head of Gram Panchayat? Sarpanch is the head of Gram Panchayat. Okay. What is the topic we are going to learn? Government and its types. Government and its types. So we came to know about that. Okay. What is the local self-government in India? Okay. So I'll ask you 2 GK questions. What are the GK questions? See, what is the southern last state in India? What is the last state in the southern side of India? We have 29 states. In the 29 states, what is the last state in the southern side? దక్షిణ భారతదేశంలో ఉన్న చివరి రాష్ట్రం ఏంటి? What is the first state in the north side of India? What is the first state in the north side of India? Okay children, write these 2 questions in your homework notebook. All of you enter your homework notebook and write these 2 questions in your homework notebook children. Okay, now I am going to explain what is the local self-government. India is a big country. It is a vast country. It has 29 states and 7 union territories. It is impossible to manage to rule the country by central government only. So it is divided into parts. It is divided into 3 types from bottom level, grassroots level. Grassroots means bottom, lower level. From village, what is the smaller ones? Lower one, village, town, city, state and central government, like that. It has divided like that. So then government can supervise, can look after all the matters which are happening in the country. It can solve the problems in the country. So to govern the big country like India, it has divided into local self-government. That is called local self-government. In local self-government, the head of that place can rule can take the actions, can solve the problems in that particular area. So this is about self government. Who looks after the administration of your town? Municipal corporation. Who looks after the affairs in your village? Grama Panchayat. Who looks after the affairs in your city like Hyderabad, Chennai, like that? That is Nagara Panchayat. These are the particular administrative authorities in our country. So the local government is responsible for the whole country, and the government takes care of everything in the country, about the roads, sanitation, about drinking water, about the quarrels and disputes between states and particular places like that. It looks after all the matters which are needed for our country. Okay, now I will explain locals. What are the parts in local self-government? From village level, from lower level we will start. This is a Grama Panchayat. Who is the authority of Grama Panchayat? Sarpanch. Okay, who is the authority of Grama Panchayat? Sarpanch. Second one, what is the second one? Nagara Panchayat. Okay, this is the second one. And third one one, municipal council, municipal council, municipal council, municipal council. And fourth one, municipal corporation, municipal corporation, corporation. Okay, these are the four levels in the local central government, local self-government in India. Local self-government in India. Local self-government can rule, has its own government called municipality or municipal corporation. Municipality or municipal corporation. It can supervise her own things by using the employees like that. The people who completed 18 years can vote and elect their members. These are the four local self-government branches, divisions. Okay, children. So what is the first one? Gram Panchayat. Who is the head of Gram Panchayat? Sarpanch. And Nagara Panchayat. And municipal council, municipal corporation. These are the four branches in India in local self-government. So it is so we are going to learn what are the types of local self-government. What are the types of local self-government? Okay, children. Now I will explain what are the types of local self-government. Okay. See, first one Gram Panchayat, second one Nagara Panchayat, third one municipal council, fourth one municipal corporation. Okay. Now what are the types of local self-government? What are the types of local self-government? Okay, children, you write what are the types of local self-government in your homework notebook. Already I noted down on the board. You copy it and rewrite it again. Okay. Bye, children. Bye.